We all find ourselves driving a little less than we are used to, and certainly less than we would like to. This means your Ferrari is probably spending more time in the garage and less out in the open road than it normally would. It's no secret that Ferraris are made to be driven, but while you're waiting to get back out in the open road, there are some simple things that you can do at home to ensure that your vehicle is kept in perfect condition and ready to go as soon as you are. I'm Adriano Giorgi, Master Technician and Service Manager here at Ferrari North Shore, and today I'm going to show you how you can care for your vehicle at home. Let's start with your vehicle's battery. While it's sitting stationary for longer than usual, and especially over the winter, there is a chance your vehicle's battery may have run flat. There are three main chargers you can use to keep your battery topped up, including the magnetic charger that was supplied with your vehicle on delivery. Each are very easy and simple to use. What I'm going to do now is show you how to fit a generic charger to your vehicle. A good rule of thumb when connecting a charger to your vehicle or to any battery is to always connect the positive first and take off the negative first. So it's easy. Addition to put on, negative to take off. What I'm going to do now is show you how to connect your magnetic charger. What you want to do is pay close attention to the color of this light and what it's doing. When you plug it into the wall socket, it will flash red. What you need to do is fit your magnetic charger, and then you'll need to wait 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, your light should then turn amber. This means that the vehicle is now charging. Once the vehicle's battery is at health, this amber light will then turn green. But it's not just about keeping your battery charged. Performing simple maintenance is also important to maximize your battery's longevity and to keep it performing at its peak for longer. Next, we have a maintenance tip that's not only simple to perform, but fun too. We encourage all of our clients to start their vehicle usually once a week for 5 to 10 minutes or until operating temperature is achieved, which is around about 90 degrees Celsius. While there's also a really good mechanical reason for this, it's also extremely fun to do. One of the reasons why it's important to run your engine up to operating temperature is because it helps the oil circulate from the oil tank in and around the engine. It also helps to preserve your spark plugs. Make sure you're doing this in a well-ventilated area, preferably outside. Finally, let's talk about tyre pressures. If you're storing your vehicle for a prolonged amount of time, you should store them at a higher tyre pressure than what you would use for the street. This will help prevent flat spots and increase longevity of your tyre. But be sure before you return to the road that you reset your tyre pressure to what's stated on the tyre placard. So that's a few things that you can do at home to help maintain your Ferrari. If you have any further questions or you wish to book in your vehicle for maintenance with our team, simply let us know when you'd like to drop off your vehicle and we will take care of the rest for you. Thanks for joining me. I hope to see you on the road soon. And until then, stay safe.